Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get the Notion app on your Mac. First, open your favorite web browser, like Safari or Chrome, on your Mac computer. Then, simply type Notion. So into the address bar and press Enter to visit the official Notion website. Once there, look for the clear Download button, usually found near the top or center of the page, to start the process. After clicking the Download button, you'll see an option to Download for Mac. Click this to begin downloading the Notion application file. This file is usually a few hundred megabytes, so it might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder, which is the default location for most downloaded files on a Mac. Now for the installation. Simply drag the Notion application icon from your Downloads folder directly into your Applications folder. This is a standard Mac installation method. Your Mac might ask you to confirm this action. Just click Authenticate or OK. Once it's moved, the Notion app is officially installed and ready to use on your Mac. To launch Notion, go to your Applications folder and double-click the Notion icon. The app will open, and you'll be prompted to log in. If you already have a Notion account, simply enter your email and password. If you're new to Notion, you can easily create a free account right there within the app in just a few moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.